Thank you for your purchase of Dash Toys Marshal Horse. Comes with exciting riding and rocking 2-in-1 features. Built with strong and sturdy material and includes toddler safety frame and footrest. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know its amazing features. We will now assemble this heavy-duty horse rocker by using these parts. You will also need a regular-shaped screwdriver and a star-shaped screwdriver. First, insert the provided 2 AA batteries to the bottom of the horse body to enjoy fun music. Start the assembly by attaching the rocker base to the bottom of the horse body by using long nuts, visor, and bolt. Then attach the footrest by using the 2 small screws provided. Let's attach both wheel sets to the front and back of the rocker base. Now fix the safety from above the main body using the 2 screws provided. For steering handle, insert the nose belt into the steering handle and slide through the horse head. Then fix the handle grip on both sides. And for the finishing touch, attach the horn to the head of the main body. To use the rocking feature, slide the wheels upwards to the rocking platform. The Marshal horse is now ready for use. Dash Toy, Dash Ride, Kids Pride.